In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your MetaMask wallet to a Web3-enabled site. Whether you're diving into the world of decentralized finance or just curious about how to use decentralized applications, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. To begin, make sure you have MetaMask installed and unlocked in your browser. If you're new to MetaMask, it's a browser extension that serves as a crypto wallet, allowing users to manage their cryptocurrency and interact with decentralized applications, or dapps, securely. Once you've ensured MetaMask is set up correctly, navigate to a Web3-enabled site. Some popular examples you might consider exploring are Uniswap, Chainlist, or SushiSwap. These sites will allow you to experience firsthand what the decentralized web has to offer. Once you've chosen a site and are on its main page, locate the button that says Connect Wallet, or simply Connect. You'll typically find this button in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking this button initiates the process of linking your MetaMask wallet to the website, enabling it to interact with decentralized applications safely and efficiently. At this point, a pop-up will appear on the screen, asking you to select the type of wallet you would like to connect. From the options available, you'll want to choose MetaMask. Selecting MetaMask will prompt the MetaMask extension on your browser to activate. The MetaMask extension will open up and present you with a list of accounts. If you have multiple accounts, select the one you wish to connect by clicking on it. Next, you'll see a Next button. Click it to proceed. This ensures that you're aware of which account you're about to use for your transactions and interactions. After confirming your account choice, click the Connect button. This step finalizes the connection between your account on MetaMask and the Web3 site. Once the connection process is complete, you should see your wallet address displayed on the website. This means that you've successfully linked your MetaMask wallet, and you're now ready to dive into the vast sea of dapps available on the decentralized web. Whether you're looking to trade, explore new financial services, or simply engage with blockchain technology, having your wallet connected is the key first step. With your wallet connected, you're free to explore and use these applications in whatever capacity you choose. Remember, always ensure you're connecting to trusted sites to keep your assets secure. Decentralized applications bring a world of possibilities, so enjoy exploring the cutting-edge realm of Web3 technology with confidence.